Hello there, nieces and nephews. Welcome back to my channel, Travels by Auntie Jennie. And today we're here in Fairfield, California. And I'm with my niece, Banana Splits and Ichimaki. And we're about to do the tour here at the Jelly Belly factory. Come join us.
Yes, that's right. We're here at the Jelly Belly factory in Fairfield, California. And we're about to get Jelly Belly wasted. What do you say? Let's go.
She was not as observant because I think he's probably
And if you're new to my channel, I have my two nieces, Ichimaki and Banana Splits, and my auntie, Auntie D.
all right.
It's actually free to come to the Jelly Belly factory, but if you're going to purchase the tour, these hats are indication that you're able to do the tour. The two girls climbed the stairs to the second floor. However, Auntie D and I, we opted to ride the elevator.
Jennie girl, where are we?
Jelly Belly
Factory in Fairfield,
Fairfield.
California.
Now, due to time constraints, we weren't able to do the museum here at the Jelly Belly factory, but we were able to do the tour.
And in many cases, juices and purees.
Both the center and the shell are packed with flavor. That's what makes each bean so intense.
That liquid candy gets deposited into little jelly bean shaped molds.
Large spinning drums.
Once our Jelly Belly beans
Jelly
have been rested,
Belly.
they'll move on to polishing and then be moved to packaging.
4.
All right, you guys can follow me down the ramp here. We can have two sitting up the bench and two sitting behind me.
So we're here on a Saturday, and usually production is done during the weekdays. So unfortunately, we're unable to see the production happen. But hopefully, at another visit, we'll be able to see this. What are your favorite flavors?
Yes, I would like to know your favorite flavor or flavors of Jelly Belly. So leave a comment down below.
Mine is Tutti Frutti. That's where Jelly Bellies are made.
And filling 50 flavors at a time is something that, wouldn't you know, only Jelly Belly does.
We even have a
Before this step was automated,
history
workers used to hand scoop
of when things were
into
made.
each cup. And they used to have to do it 2 years.
Geez, Jelly Belly has been around for forever.
Now here's a machine that makes a lot of people happy. This machine has one job. It creates and fills up to 15 Jelly Belly gift boxes per month. We can process 50 individual Jelly Belly bean flavors in specific compartments thanks to this machine. The base of the box is folded, glued, and shaped, while a plastic tray liner is added. Each liner has compartments that the machine will fill with those individual flavors. And filling 50 flavors at a time is something that, when you know it, only Jelly Belly does. Before this step was automated, workers used to hand scoop the right jelly beans into each cup. And they used to have to do it to command it. Now we can fill 50 flavors at a time. This is actually the last stop. Once the Jelly Belly jelly beans jobs continue to today, it's your first look at some of the most mesmerizing parts using modern-day manufacturing to keep everything together. Here, Jelly Belly jelly beans are packed into bags and boxes on their way out of the factory into store shelves near you. Humans and machines are both hard at work here. Workers load packaging material into the machines. The material is fed through a series of rollers and forming the shape of bags. Meanwhile, the candy has been moving through a bucket elevator to make its way up to the top of the machine. It can then fall right into awaiting bags. See how the candy drops into these metal funnels? These are called weighers, and they're very precise. The candy is weighed and dropped into newly formed bags. which are then cut and sealed around the candy almost immediately. It all happens pretty fast, so you'll have to keep your eyes open or you'll miss it. Right. Employees work fast to hand pack all those bags into larger cases and send them down the line to ship out to stores near you.
First time I saw a spider packer, I went, oh my God. Running for commissioner. The whole 8 years he was commissioner. And they weren't jelly bellies. They were the original gourmet jelly. He did not start using jelly until after 1970.
Send your favorite treats out the door. All the difference in the world. And a department as technologically inclined as packaging is no exception. With hundreds of bags and boxes flowing out of here every minute, it takes a lot of knowledgeable people to keep it running. Jelly Belly machine operators and mechanics are constantly helping to modify, fix, and maintain these machines. So one thing they always are busy making sure everything runs smoothly. As packaged and sent processes, packaging material is loaded in, and delicately opened and poured into boxes, tucking in tabs to create a sturdy firewood. If the weight is off for any reason, a puff of air sends the imperfect package off the line. This machine wraps cellophane around the box ready to ship out. Assembly lines aren't always this well oiled. A jam, misspeed, miscalibration, Jelly Belly jelly beans and conveyors and slow or stop it. Look closer, even closer. It's actually made entirely out of jelly.
Project President Ronald Reagan took over 6 months to create. They used to dip the beans in a resin and then place them one by one with chopsticks onto the
So I was, I guess, a pretty good rascal down there back in the 60s. There was probably 8 to 12 people in the slow season and maybe 20 people in the busy season. Our office was about 14 by 14, and there was burlap hanging on the wall. I'll never forget it. There was like 4 desks in there, and we were all crammed in. I wasn't in there yet. I was out in the factory work. That's how small the company was at that point. So my dad had to do everything. He did the purchasing, he did the sales, he did the hiring, he did the firing, he did the maintenance, he made candy. My dad was really an incredible guy. He worked extremely hard.
Right now, all those true-to-life flavors of Jelly Belly jelly beans are loaded in giant bins and lifted by forklifts up to the tippy top. One of those giant containers holds about 1,700 pounds. That's as much as a couple.
Hurry up, do it again.
Where are you? Did you see all the Jelly Bellies in the bins out there?
Yeah. What about those pictures, Jennie?
I know, I saw. It's a long history. Go.
Jelly Belly.
Back when we were in the packaging department, you saw boxes of goodies ready to head out of the factory. All of them.
My favorite.
Okay. Perfect right there. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I'm both of you.
Thank you.
You're quite welcome. Thank you for coming. I was put there for 5 minutes.
There you go. Thanks, guys.
We're finally done with the tour and we're now in the gift shop buying Jelly Bellies. Check it out.
Yes.
All right, so we're done with our tour. How did you like it?
I liked it, yeah.
How about you, Banana?
I liked it.
What was your favorite part?
The factory.
The factory part? How about you?
The game.
The games? I liked everything, especially the store and the fact that we're about to have caramel apples, even though we're at the Jelly Belly factory. All right, thank you for watching.
Have a nice Jennie.
Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope my video was helpful enough for you to get an inside look on what to expect when visiting the Jelly Belly factory here in Fairfield, California. And if you really enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my Instagram and Facebook page. And as always, thank you for watching.
Have a nice day.
Have a great day.